Hey, it's my turn to talk now. Gym Rat Noah here, and I'm going to take you through my top 5 at-home workouts that you can do yourself from home. My first exercise for at-home workouts would be a lunge. Now the lunge is going to hit the glutes, the hamstrings, and the quads, primarily glutes and quads, but there is a way you can work hamstrings into it. You just want to go down and up, and to implement more hamstring, you want to lean forward, go down and up, and you're going to get a nice stretch in the back. Next up, the push-up. Now with a regular push-up, you want to make sure that you're getting that full range of motion all the way up, all the way down, shoulders back, abs braced. But if this is a bit much for you, you can go to your knees, go down, and power right back up. Next up, the squat. Bodyweight squats are going to be one of the best to be able to target the glutes, the quads, even a bit of the lumbar. You want to make sure you keep your posture really straight, and this is something a lot of people get wrong with squats. You want to go down all the way, and if you need to go a little wider with your stance to go down all the way, do that. And then power right back up. Show you another one. All the way down, all the way back up. And with this, also, make sure that you're not leaning forward too far, and make sure that if it's a little too challenging, a good regression would be to just stop about parallel with the floor. Next up, a pull-up. If you're doing a pull-up from home, you can do it virtually anywhere. Just make sure it's safe, that you're not going to fall, and that you're not going to damage something. So on this, I'm going to do this on the deck. We're going about shoulder width apart, maybe a little more, pulling up all the way, and coming back down. And another way you can do it, if you want a regressed version, would be hanging off of something that's roughly pelvic height. Right here, I'm going to use my table. Pull yourself up and down just like that. Next, let's move on to the tricep dip. A dip is going to be amazing to target the triceps, to target the lower chest, and you want to make sure when you do this that you get low enough if you're capable. So, obviously you got to do this anywhere that works for you. Cross your legs, go down into a really good stretch, power back up into a squeeze. A good modification for a tricep dip would be to get a bench, or especially if you're at home using a couch, you just put your feet out here, go all the way down, all the way up to straight. And that's how you do it. Back to you, coach. Now, in my professional opinion, one of the most important aspects in training from home would be to strive to target each muscle group as evenly as you can. Now, in compound movements, you're going to be hitting multiple joints, multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These are some big muscle groups you're working. You're going to be working your glutes, your quads, your pecs, and you should be able to do a routine like this a couple days a week, provided you're not sore. It's going to be a great idea to start here to build up, and over time, I'm going to provide you with more videos in regard to core work you can do, accessory work, and all of that. And just feel free to comment below if you have any questions pertaining to this routine here. And have a great day. God bless.